This video on the Barmel printer shows how to perform routine cleaning. Open the input tray and remove all cards. Open the ribbon tray and remove the ribbon and cleaning roller, then put the empty tray back in the printer. Remove the protective paper from the cleaning card. If the printer has magnetic encoder, do not remove the small paper protective strip at the bottom of the card. Also remove the protective cover from the back of the cleaning card. And now put the cleaning card cleaning in the inbox. On the computer, go to Devices and Printers, right-click the Barmel printer icon, then select Printing Preferences. In the Printing Preferences box, click the Toolbox option. Select the Clean Printer tab and then click the Clean button at the bottom. The cleaning card will be inserted into the printer automatically and the cleaning process will begin. When cleaning is complete, the card will be ejected to the output tray. Now reload the cards and ribbon into the printer. It is recommended to carry out routine cleaning to avoid damage to the head and maintain the best print quality. This cleaning will have to be done approximately every 1000 prints. With the cleaning kit you can perform 10 cleanings. Request with the part number 086177. The printer will be clean and ready to print. For more information, contact your local supplier.